Good morning, Foray. Welcome to Monday, the 15th of June. Today we have another day of learning ahead, and it's going to be a little busy one. Guys, today you will start your day with maths. In maths, you are going to be looking at fractions, unit fractions of amounts, and this time we'll be using both multiplication and division. As you remember yesterday during the meeting, I told you if we have two different, if the numerator is not 1, but it's a bigger number, we usually first divide the amount by the denominator and then by the numerator multiply. So we will be using both division and multiplication facts. Right, there is no need to submit anything on Class Dojo. Answer key will be provided in the presentation. Then the second period is up to your individual timetables. Please make sure you check it and attend whatever lesson you're having. And then the third and fourth lesson is guided reading. As usual, we follow the same plan. In the first lesson, guys, you are going to be reading on MyOn, and as I remind you every week, if you want to increase that accelerated reader word count, please make sure you choose a book on MyOn that will have the quiz available on accelerated reader. So always check before you start reading it. Just choose a book that you will be able to use for accelerated reader. That's probably the best option. Then guys, in the second period of guided reading, you have to read The Black Beauty, chapter 6 and 7. For your submission, you will have to submit one video of yourself reading out The Black Beauty, chapter 6. So please do that. And for the rest of the class, you can either finish reading The Black Beauty, or you can just continue your MyOn activities and reading and just trying to shoot that accelerated reader word count up, okay? Right, for the fifth lesson, we will have social studies. We continue with crime and punishment. Now just imagine Romans left Britain and there's a different kind of people who come and rule Britain who are called the Anglo-Saxons, and we are going to learn about what kind of crime and punishments did they have in their time. And you will be just answering some questions about the text that will be discussed during the lesson. Nothing to submit on Dojo. And then, guys, we have moral education. In moral education, we have been talking a lot about different cultures, and this time this lesson is going to focus on the similarities between different cultures, and there will be an activity for you to do that I want you to take a picture of and submit on Class Dojo. So guys, 2 submissions today, guided reading video and your moral education. So I'm really looking forward to seeing all of your work. Now guys, what time we will meet and how we will dress. So I actually am wearing, I'm not sure the kind of color it's showing, it looks kind of white, but it's actually gray. So if you have anything gray, please wear it for the meeting. And today's last lesson together will be the moral education lesson in the very last period. So I expect all of you to be online at 1:25. Okay, so we are meeting at 1:25 today in the last period. The riddle for yesterday was, what does the baseball say to the baseball glove? So let me see what kind of answers you guys came up with. The answer I was looking for was catch you later. So, you know, in the baseball game, usually the glove catches the ball. Okay, it's part of the game. So what does the ball say? What does the glove say to the ball, especially if it missed it? Catch you later. So Celine Gochak, I will catch you later. Samiha, hug me. Okay, nice, because the glove is really big, so when it catches the ball, it actually hugs it. Sham, I will catch you later. Save high five. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. It's usually stretched out like that, so it can be high five. Catch you later. Mohammed, come to me, I'm waiting. Okay, Zohaib, gotcha. Oh, I got you. Yalmaz, bye-bye. Throws ball at batter. Okay, nice one. Catch him. High five, Maximus. I will catch you later, Hanin. Catch me, Mariam. Hope to meet you soon, Anahita. Good one. Come and catch me, TJ. Come to me, I will catch you. Most of you, come to me, I will catch you, or catch you later. Catch me, hug, I will catch you. Okay, good. Really nice answers. I can tell that you just thought about the first thing that came into your mind. And the riddle for today is which letter of the alphabet has the most water? It's a bizarre one, but try to think about it. Which letter of the alphabet has the most water? So think of the letters and how we pronounce them and which one would have the most water. Please post the letter in the comments below. And as usual, I have an inspirational quote for you. And it's from someone called Nelson Mandela. He says, "It always seems impossible until it is done." Okay, it's a very simple saying and it's an amazing one. So, a long time ago, guys, before we actually could fly to space, before it was possible to fly to space, we used to think as humans that it's impossible to fly in the sky or visit space or land on the moon. So people used to think that is something impossible until people actually went into space and they landed on the moon, okay? So many things are not impossible. It's just that we have not found the solutions yet, or we haven't found how to do them, okay? But those with perseverance, which is very high performance learner characteristic, faith and dedication in making the impossible possible are the ones that change the world. So guys, if we stay perseverant, if we have faith, if we believe in things, and if we are dedicated and working hard, one day we will be able to do things that many of us think are impossible right now. Okay, I want you to think this way and I want you to start off the day this way. Anyway, good luck with everything and see you at 1:25. See you at 1:25.